Hi, welcome back to our series. We previously have studied about inheritance. Now we are going to study about in constructor and destructor. First of all, I want to explain what are constructor. Constructor are the function of the classes that has same name as that of class. Same name is that of class. Their function and they have same name as the class, and they actually initialize the variable. That means they allocate the memory. If we doesn't declare the constructor in any class, then it will automatically declare in background. Let's us make the constructor. We have class pen. Let's make the constructor pen, and we notice that we already in any function we have to pass here return type, that is void, int, char, float, anything that the value return we already have done with void, but the constructor does not return anything, means we does not use any return types. Let's simply see out this. We will not do anything here because we know that the function can access this variable here, and we will make here parameter wise constructor also we will, but destructor is not in parameter wise. We will make constructor parameter wise. Let's erase it. We need not it because it will take memory and it will make more memory wastage. This is constructor. We have declared here constructor. Now we have to make the object of this class pen obj. In previous we have does that we have made object dot pen class. Suppose if there was a function pen, then we make this, but in case of constructor we need not to call this constructor. It will called when the object is initialized or called. Here we make the object and it will automatically call the pen, that is function. Let's run and see. It should give, yes, this is a constructor. This is a constructor. This is how we can make here. Let's know more about destructor. What is destructor? Destructor also have same name. Destructor also have name as that of constructor, sorry, class, but with this sign before name, and it also does not have any return type. It does not have also return time. It will deallocate the memory, means it will free the memory. That constructor allocate, the constructor allocate that memory, and destructor will deallocate that memory. Destructor will call automatically. If we have not declare in it, it will declare in background. Let's call destructor pen. Let's make this is destructor. It will not show us because this is called when the object go out of scope, means when the object is destroyed, then this will be called in this to deallocate the memory. So we can't say this. Please run it and let's say it is giving destructor also. It should not give destructor, but is it giving here destructor? Because it should go out of range, but in this case we are getting here destructor too. We need not to call this also in this function. Let's make a constructor with parameterize. Let's say here int a and int b. Let's declare this here. Sorry, we will make here, no problem. I will make here, sorry, I will again initialize. I will initialize here d, int d comma a comma b. I will simply print it here, and we will make another videos that we will learn about that. This is a parameter wise constructor. Let's make d is equal to a plus b. C out, simply we will see out sum is equal to d. We will end the line, and we have to pass here parameter. I will pass 10 comma 20 because we are taking integer type. If we take a float type, then we can pass here float type. We are making only object, we are not calling this function. It will automatically called because it is a constructor. Let's see, yes, sum is equal to 30 and we are getting destructor here. Now we can make here something like this. I will make c comma e. Let's assign the value of c to a. C is equal to a and d is equal to b, means these are we initialize in this class, and these are we are getting from object. Now I will make another class void output. Sorry, this is not class, this is a method or function. Let's make, I will make here, yes, we will make get in e is equal to c plus d. Now this variable cannot be accessed here because they are in function, but this is in class and it can access by all the member of this class. Let's see out it, and I will print simply this line here. Sorry, we have already here paste. I will pass here e. Let's, where it has gone, let's pass it here. It should give me, it has not giving because we should, this was not the constructor, so we have to pass object dot output here, so that we have to get output here. Let's print it as we have get the 30 in the answer. This is how we can initialize constructor and destructor, we can get constructor parameter wise or non parameter wise. We have both study, but destructor is only non parameter wise, that is used to deallocate the memory of reserve for that program that was initialized by the constructor. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel to grow our channel. Thank you.